How to create PlayStation Network account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to create a PlayStation account, and here is what you need to do. So start by visiting the official PlayStation website by typing playstation.com/ps5 setup. And once you are there, simply click on sign in option at the top right corner of the screen and you will be prompted to the sign in page. And once you see the interface like this, simply click on create an account. Now next, click on create and you will be directed to the new page where you can create your account. From here, choose the region that applies to you, whether you are in the US or another country. And once you are done with that, simply click on next. Now, in this page, fill in your date of birth, and once you are done with that, simply click on next on the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, on the new page, enter your email address. It can be Gmail or any other provider. Next, create a strong password and confirm it by entering it again. And once that's done, simply click next. Now enter your city, state and postal code. And once all the required fields are completed, simply click next. Now in the final prompted page, select or create an online ID for your account. You can pick one from the suggestion provided or come up with your own unique name. After that, enter your first name and last name. And once you are done with that, simply click next. And after that, your account is successfully created. Now you will see some additional options with checkbox. If you are fine with the default setting, click confirm and you are all set to sign in your account. Before signing in, check your email for the verification message. Make sure it's from the official sender. Open the email and click on the verification link, and once you're done with that, you can confirm your email. And after verifying, return to the PlayStation website and use your email and password to sign in. And once signed in, click onto your profile icon into the top right corner to access your account settings, subscription management, and much more. And that's it. Your PlayStation account is ready to use for PlayStation console. If you have any comments or question, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.